everybody. Working on the fountain. With bloody finger. What? What was that?
Aquarium.
Where's the aquarium? Look.
Right there.
Spilled blood. Spilled blood. Okay.
We make fish sacrifices.
Fish. Okay, here's the setup. We have the curing light. High energy, i.e. high heat in this case. And
you've been bleeding for a long time.
Cleaning the glass. Two hard workers. Here's the semi-finished product. Ta-da! Can't even fit it into the shot. It's so big I can't even fit it into the shot. Isn't that crazy? Here it is. Cones are here so nobody goes and gets hurt.
Probably when
it's gonna be flowing from the ceiling.
The pressure built up and it squirted over there.
Pressure built up.
Yeah, it's heavy, so I don't lift.
That's true. Just like my finger yesterday when I had pressure build up in my...
You have internal.
I have internal. You have external. External's better because you release the pressure.
And squirt.
And squirt blood everywhere.
Okay, now bring it up.
Blood somewhere over there.
Okay, sure.